Hi guys, welcome to your video lecture. This is actually going to be for Tuesday and Thursday. So we're going to be doing an online lab activity. I would like you to do a little bit today, about half, and a little bit on Thursday to finish it up as well. Okay, if you're an online student and you finish it all today, then you won't have anything to do Thursday. If you're in class though, I'd like you to take your time to complete these activities and finish them on Thursday. Okay? So to find our work, we're going to go to modules. We are doing an online virtual lab. So click it. We've learned how scientists are genetically modifying many organisms and how many professionals use biotechnology every day. Tuesday and Wednesday, I was wrong, not Wednesday, because Wednesday you'll have no new assignments, so Tuesday and Thursday, you're going to be doing some discovering of your own. Because we are not licensed scientists with high-tech labs, we're going to be doing a few virtual experiments using the steps on the sheet below. Good luck. Remember, to edit this data sheet, you must make your own copy. See PowerPoint for details. For this assignment, give me a link. Be sure to change the share settings of the document. See this PowerPoint if you're unsure of how to do that. So let's go to the virtual biotech lab. You're going to go to File. You're going to go to Make Your Own Copy. Click OK. Make sure that as you make your own copy, you go over here to Share. And change the share settings. We don't want it restricted. We want it anyone with the link. Click Done so that when you copy the link, it'll be ready for me to view. So here's how you're going to do this. I think there's about 4 or 5 different parts. So there's about 5 different parts. So you are going to follow the steps. So visit the following web page. You're going to click that specific section, and then you're going to read and answer the questions. Each one of these are questions that you will be answering. Okay, and there are quite a few of these little genetic labs. So you'll click the link. You're going to go to, what did it say? Genetic science box, genetic science, click it. You're going to go to genetics heading here and click, can DNA demand a verdict? Let's go back. Can DNA, you're going to click it. You're going to read this and answer the questions. So this is similar to how most of them are. Over here, click the link. You go to Science Tools. Maybe we'll take this one off because it doesn't look like it's working. So I'll edit that, and there will be a new one, but you'll just follow the websites and answer the questions. Have a fantastic day, guys. If you have any questions, please ask me. Bye.